Hey there guys, it's me Dogan. We're back at it again with another reaction video. And I am actually freaking excited for this because GFRIEND are having another comeback. And I am just so freaking excited for it because GFRIEND's last song, Love Whisper, was just amazing. I absolutely love that song. It got me into GFRIEND and I've just been happy ever since, man. I've listened to a few of their songs before, Love Whisper, but after that I'm just been like, yeah, let's go. Let's do this. And I gotta say, my bias for GFRIEND has to be Yuna. I absolutely love her. She is just so cute and adorable. She's just amazing. Everyone else in the group is also amazing, but there's just something about Yuna that just grabs my attention. I'm just like, but yeah, their song today is called Summer Rain, and I'm pretty excited for this because this is GFRIEND. And also I've watched the teasers for this, and I actually like the teasers. I really like the teasers, and I just can't wait. I just can't wait. But yeah, other than that, let's get straight into this. I'm freaking excited. I hope you guys are too, and let's do this. Oh, we're starting off with Yuna in the Rain. Oh. 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 Oh, it shows one the K on the wall. That's pretty cool. That's pretty goddamn cool. Okay. I feel that. How do people do that? You know that thing with their mouth. I don't know how people do that, but damn. Yo, dude, this is such a beautiful song. Just like the last one. So beautiful. G. Damn. The music's just so beautiful. Oh, dude. This is so going in my playlist. I'm loving this song. I really am loving this song. Yeah, GFRIEND, man. Your music's just always beautiful. Did you know that, GFRIEND? It's always beautiful. This would so be a good song to listen to whilst having a cup of tea. A green tea. No jokes, no jokes. This would be a nice song to have. Nice song to listen to whilst having a green tea. How do they... Damn! I wish I could do that stuff. I just can't dance whatsoever. Damn. Oh no! Oh, did she see the guy with another person? I feel like she saw the guy with another girl. Maybe. I feel bad. I feel bad for you. Dude, now I'm feeling so bad for them. Whoa. That thing, that was pretty cool. Damn, that's some summer rain right there. Ooh, ooh. Oh, what was she smiling about? Is that Diary of Memories? I don't know. paper boat swim away. Not swim, float away. Oh my god. Yet again, GFRIEND has released another beautiful song. I am so happy that I stumbled across Love Whisper a while ago when it came out, because oh my god, that song is just amazing, and it got me into GFRIEND, and I'm just so happy. Legit, I am just so happy because now I got another beautiful song that I can just listen to whenever I want. Oh dude, no, I gotta check. I gotta check. Is it on Spotify right now? Like, please, please, please be on Spotify. Come on, GFRIEND. Ah man, the song ain't on Spotify. That's a shame. That's really a shame. I gotta wait until the song comes out. Well, the mini album. I gotta wait until the mini album comes out on Spotify. I will be keeping my eye on you, Spotify. But you guys, this is gonna be all for this video. If you guys did enjoy it, if you guys did, then definitely show some support by leaving a like, and also comment down below your bias for GFRIEND. My bias is Yuna. She's just absolutely beautiful. They are all beautiful. It's just like, man, Yuna. Something about her, man. Something about her. And also subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because there'll be more GFRIEND reactions coming to you guys in the near future. Definitely when they release more music videos. And yeah, that's basically all. So I hope you guys have a great day and just keep on smiling. And adios, amigos.